Hey, travelers, welcome back to letfli.com. If you're looking to pack smart without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing some awesome, budget-friendly travel essentials that will level up your trips. From a portable hair dryer to packing cubes, these items will make your journey smoother and more convenient. Ready to hear more? Let's dive in. Conair Travel Hair Dryer with Dual Voltage. First up is the Conair Travel Hair Dryer with Dual Voltage 1600W. It's compact, has a foldable handle, and is perfect for traveling internationally thanks to its dual voltage. And the best part, it's only $15. It's lightweight, portable, and will make sure you never have a bad hair day while on the road. OURSUNSHINE Travel Bottles. Next, let's talk about the OURSUNSHINE Travel Bottles. These leak-proof silicone bottles are perfect for storing your shampoo, conditioner, or lotion. No more worrying about spills in your bag. However, they're not currently available at the moment, but they're normally a solid pick for travelers. Hillife Steamer for clothes, wrinkled clothes on vacation. No thanks. The Hillife Steamer for clothes is your best friend when it comes to keeping your outfits crisp and wrinkle-free. It's portable, heats up quickly, and has a 240 milliliters capacity. You can snag this steamer for just $24. Anchor PowerPort for multi-port USB charger. Got multiple devices to charge? The Anchor PowerPort for multi-port USB charger is perfect for keeping all your gadgets powered up. You can charge up to 4 devices at once, which is a huge plus when you're on the go. Though it's currently unavailable, it usually sells for $30 and is a fantastic travel essential. MLVOC Memory Foam Travel Pillow. Long flights can be uncomfortable, but the MLVOC Memory Foam Travel Pillow will help you rest easy. It's made from 100% pure memory foam and comes with a 3D contoured eye mask, earplugs, and a travel bag. All of this comfort for just $18. Worth packing for your next trip. The Gale Packing Cubes. Finally, if you like staying organized, the Begale 8-set packing cubes are an absolute must-have. These luggage organizers help you pack efficiently, keeping everything neat and easy to access. This set of 8 cubes comes in at just $30 and will make packing and unpacking a breeze. So there you have it, some of the best travel items you can get on a budget. Whether you're looking to keep your hair looking great with the Conair dryer or stay wrinkle-free with the Hillife Steamer, these essentials will make your travel experience smoother and more comfortable. If you found this helpful, check out the links below for more info. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips and gear recommendations. Happy traveling!